Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. Now, this is a Rainbowseed maintenance weekly light body calibration reading. Let's dig right in to see what your light body is wanting us to focus on for this week. What is the focus of this week's light body? A helping hand. A helping hand. Kickstart energy improvement with a healing session. This is interesting. Right away, I will be speaking about two different groups of people. So this week, you will either be providing a helping hand and healing for another person, or you are going to be receiving help from and healing from another person. So this is very exciting. It is double. Now let's see, where are you being upgraded energetically? Let's read from the person that is giving a helping hand. A person giving a helping hand. Oh, there we go. The last cloak. Release old identities. Your magnificence is realized. I really love this. I feel like the person who is about to give healing doesn't realize how great of a healer they are. So if you are planning on lending a helping hand towards someone, there is something about you no longer believing that you are not able or equipped to be a helpful hand for someone else. So that's really big. You're upgrading to a new identity, and this week you will be realizing how great of a healer you truly are. Oh, how exciting! Now, the person that is going to be receiving a helping hand, where are you being upgraded energetically by receiving a helping hand? Creation, unique expression, flow of creation, and joyfulness. Okay. This really feels like what you are needing help with. So, if you do not associate yourself with the person that is lending a hand, if this doesn't feel like you, but maybe you are needing help and haven't felt creative lately, or haven't felt the ability to speak your truth or have joyful moments, this is the moment where this week you are meant to invite a helping hand and receive healing and assistance from someone else so they can help your creative spark come back. Because right now, it's interesting. Right now in this image, you are the one with your eyes closed and your third eye is wide open, but it feels like you're not able to feel the joy or create from that joyful expression. So we have our two groups here. Let's see. The hand that is helping, let's see which chakra is needing maintenance at this time. Solar plexus. This makes so much sense because your solar plexus holds your ego. And if you've been on my channel long enough, we do not do that whole ego death thing. You need an ego while you are wearing a physical suit to identify certain traits And right now, you are shifting out of one ego and into a new ego, into a new identity. So, work with your solar plexus, work with understanding what identity are you no longer claiming, and what identity are you about to claim that really helps you help others and allows yourself to appreciate what you have to offer. Now, the beings that are receiving the help, what chakra needs maintenance at this time? Soul Star. And if you've been on this channel long enough, you'll know I'll call this a gateway or your Akashic records. So whoever's needing this assistance, whether you have visited your Akashic records before or you know someone that can read your Akashic records, it's time to go visit your Akashic records and have someone assist you in visiting your Soul Star gateway and start connecting you to your higher self. If you do not have a being that provides that, at Cosmic Energy and Spiritual Wellness, we offer those life coaching plans through our Quantum Reiki life coaching plans. And our main mission is being human with spirit, and your higher selves, your oversoul, your monad, that is your spirit that you get to connect to and really enjoy your journey of life with. And if that is something you're interested in, check out our website. But if you know someone else that can assist you in tapping into your Soul Star Gateway, go check that out. If you check out your astrology, check on your Pluto placement. That can really assist you and see what may be going on throughout this transformation. So very exciting. It feels like you're diving into on a record and you're about to energetically upgrade and move to a new checkpoint. Now, who is supporting your manifestations this week? Let's read for the beings that are giving out assistance and going through this solar plexus upgrade. Who is supporting this process, this identity upgrade? Rainbow Child. How exciting. So rainbow beings, rainbow seeds, they've been, well, right now everyone human is an earth seed, but you've been a star seed as well as an angel seed. This truly feels like the being I'm speaking to has only connected to 2 parts of that 3-part trio of being a rainbow seed. It's really feeling like this could be a family member or someone that is so close to you, they might as well be family. And they are really assisting in not just showing you that you're able to help others, but they've always seen you in this new identity. They've never seen you in the old identity that you're still working from. So I think that's fascinating as well. And let's touch base on the group of people that are receiving assistance, especially tapping in to their higher selves. Who is supporting this process of Akashic record gathering and assisting in supporting your ability to receive assistance, receive help? Star children, star seed. A star seed is assisting in a star seed's assisting in tapping in to a higher self. This star seed actually, the star seed is a human, but it feels like the star being is actually going to be the one energetically assisting you in tapping in and getting into those records. I do want to pull a card to see what type of star being. Let's see here, guys. What type of star being is assisting in receiving manifestations this week? Pleiadians. How exciting. I love this. Pleiadians are a star being. So I definitely would tap into a benevolent Pleiadian being just to see how they're assisting. I want to actually, let's draw another card because they feel very talkative right now. I love Pleiadians. They're really helping you find the joy in discovering who you actually are. It feels like you almost lost your spark of who you actually are. It feels like you might be comparing yourself to others and not appreciating all the beauty that's within you. Temperance. Yes, they're really wanting you to have some grace about recognizing your true qualities. And it feels like if you ask for help, there's a part of you that believes that because you're asking for help, that takes away from who you are, when in actuality, the Pleiadians are coming in and saying, no, it's actually showing how important it is to get back to your natural frequency. It's actually showing how important it is, no matter how you get to meeting this higher aspect of yourself, that getting to know yourself is more important than having pride of trying to do it all on your own. Source does not want you to do it all on your own. Source provided a spiritual team, whether it's a starseed or a Pleiadian being, to come in and assist you with your Akashic records. On Being Cosmic Chaos, there is a handful of meditations that have Pleiadian beings. So if you feel called to meditate with Pleiadian beings, go to Spotify or Apple Podcast for that meditation, because I guarantee there is a message for you waiting. Now, for alignment, what needs self-care? I'm going to call in the Rainbowseed. I mean, it is a rainbow reading, right? Let's call in the Rainbowseed and see what needs self-care for your true new identity. What is needing self-care? Trust your innocence. Trust your innocence. It feels like whatever you are required to help out with, whatever this new identity has to deal with, your younger self has always carried this. And there is a sense of, you don't have to believe in this new version of you. You just have to trust it and have faith. See, belief has a sense of doubt. You trusting in this part of yourself, this new version of yourself, is the self-care. So it's sounding like not taking care of yourself is that doubting of yourself. So no more doubting yourself. Let's call in a Pleiadian being to see for alignment and to receive help from others. What needs self-care? Realm Bridger needs self-care. Realm Bridger. Your self-care is not going to look like the typical physical human self-care, like taking a bath, doing your nails, going out for a treat, buying new sports equipment. It's not going to look like that. Your self-care is actually going to look more metaphysical, more spiritual, more serving your clairvoyant senses, not as much as your physical human senses. So to align, make sure you are bridging realms. Even check out some of the meditations I have that literally have the word bridge or multidimensional, because you're meant to be working with multiple beings and receiving help, not just from the physical realm, but from multidimensional realms. How exciting. That is so exciting. Wow. Well, thank you guys so much. And because I got Rainbowseed and Starseed, I do want to bring up Rainbowseeds. I offer a 6-month Reiki life coaching plan. Now, I am accepting 2027 clients. The link will be up on the website page. Now, if 6 months sounds like a lot to you, and maybe you are practicing your clairvoyant abilities and your natural strength, I do have a 2-month Starseed verification plan that is on the website. Go check it out if that jives with you and you're wanting assistance in remembering who you already are. I will never tell you who you are. I am here as a guide to remind you of who you are. So, that being said, I want to say thank you so much for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending to your seeds, whether it's rainbow seed, angel seed, star seed, earth seed, and may you be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds, trust your light. I'll see you next time, guys.